Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my I'm sick makeup routine because it's a little different than like my everyday routine, and you probably hear me sniffling all throughout this tutorial. I'm sick, clearly. So this is just a makeup routine that I decide to do whenever I'm not feeling too well and I don't want to do like the most or whatever, but I want to like not have pasty sick skin. So I've already moisturized and primed my face, so let's get started. So the first step that I do is I take my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm running out, I need to get some more, but I take that and I just put it on kind of the perimeters of my face. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush. It is just this buffing foundation brush. And y'all, this brush is the truth. I got it from Sephora and I was like, I'll try it to use it on people when I do their makeup. Well, I tested it out for myself and fell in love. So it might become my new makeup brush and I need to go get another one. But this is what it looks like. It's cute. Alright, so we're just going to buff that into the skin, and I'm intentionally not going to put anything where my concealer would go. Alright, a little in the ears. Okay, so the next step is to take my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Actually, I forgot to tell you shade names. So I am 420 in the Fenty foundation, 420 in the summer. I should probably use 410 in the winter months, but anyways, and I use Warm Sand in the Too Faced concealer. Now with this concealer, you don't have to use a lot. So like I pull this out with one swipe or whatever. This is all I'm going to use. I'm going to place some dots here, my nose, definitely on my forehead, here, and then there. And that is it. So to blend this out, I'm going to use my Juno & Co. microfiber sponge, and I'm just going to blend that, starting at the chin. Put a little too much on my forehead because I'd rather have my forehead contoured more than highlighted, but it's okay, we can fix that later. Okay, and now for the eyes. And I am trying not to put as much stuff on my nose because I do wear glasses, and also I'm sick, so my nose has been running, so there's really no point in putting any makeup on my nose. So next I'm going to take my good old Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. I use medium deep, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the back side of this sponge to do that. Actually, no, I'm not, y'all. Don't play yourself. Do not, because this sponge, it will make this powder hella full coverage, even though it's just a setting powder and it looks hella cakey. So don't do that. I'm gonna just put it on my chin, just a little bit. And I patted it off on the back because I don't want to waste my powder. But yeah, do not put this under your eyes. And I'm barely like tapping because I don't want a lot to come off. Whew, I almost played myself and forgot. So I'm using my beauty blender. I prefer to use a wet sponge, but it's fine. This one is not wet. And I'm just lightly tapping this powder into the skin. So that's all good. I feel like I'm about to sneeze now. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust any excess powders away. Oh no, I didn't do it all the way correctly. Because yesterday, when I did this, I put my Becca Prosecco Pop highlighter underneath my foundation, y'all. And I like went ham with it underneath my foundation. And it looks so good. Like I didn't even need to put highlight on. I'm so mad at myself. But I'm kind of just, I don't know, I'm in shambles. But it's all good. So now I'm going to spritz my face. Alright, and so now I'm going to go in with my Ulta Contour Kit. So typically I will use this unknown color here because it's deeper. But yesterday I was like, you know, I don't want to go for that intense contoured look. And I used this color, which is their Bombshell Bronze. It was bomb. It's not too much, but it brings back some of that color to your face, but not being, you know, overly snatched. So I'm going to use that with my Wet n Wild angled brush. And you're going to see I'm going to start off really light-handed and just go back in some areas. Because this is really, it's not meant to be a snatched look. It's meant to, you know, bring color back to your face and just have you looking like you're not sick. So, and this is especially good for people that are in the professional field. Like if you have to talk to people a lot and, you know, be up in people's face, like you don't want to look sick. At least I don't want to look sick. Now I'm just going to go back through and add a little more. Now we're going to move on to highlight. You know, yesterday, like I said, I did not add any highlight to my face yesterday because I used it underneath the foundation. So that means that today I'm going to have to use this. And I'm going to take that same sponge. I'm not going to use the back since I put that powder on it. And I'm just going to dust that on the skin. I don't even know if it's doing anything. I can't really see. Like it's not a blinding highlight unless you build it up to be that way. It's more of a, ooh, she's glowing, you know? So it just adds a little glow. And I don't know if I talked about this highlighter already on my channel, but it's kind of like a putty. It's like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not a powder foundation, which is a reason why I'm putting it on with a sponge versus putting it on with the brush. But yeah, it just adds that subtle kind of glow to your skin. I'm gonna add it here and here. And honestly, like, it's okay if you like go a little overboard with this. Like, not necessarily overboard, but like if I were to put this in a messy type of way, it'll be fine because it will still just look like I'm like hitting, you know? I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of my chin, or my nose, even though it'll probably come off later. So now I'm gonna spray one more time. And the spray like really brings out the luminous look to it. So I like it. Alright. So that's it for the face. I'm not putting on blush. I'm not putting on any more highlight than what I already have. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to move into brows. I'm going to brush my brow hairs up. Okay. And today I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. And I'm not really going to be like overly filling my brows. I'm just going to kind of fill them in a little bit. And I will be back with that. I'm not going to do that on camera because it takes too long. Okay, brows are done. I'm debating whether I want to even put lash or like eyelash. What am I trying to say? Oh my gosh, mascara. I'm debating whether I want to put mascara on. I did put any on yesterday, and I kind of don't. I'm not gonna put any on today either. So this actually is this is the finished look. Like, this is it. It just kind of, you know, gives you a nice look and makes you look decent and presentable without needing to be over the top and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the final look. I'll put my glasses on so you can see, like, it just brings the whole look together. So yeah, I'm not gonna go out like this. So actually I'm gonna finish my hair up, and then I'll come back for some final words. Yo, that sounds like Jerry Springer with his final thoughts. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the finished look with my hair down. I just pinned it up. There's a video on me taking down my 3-strand twists and styling my hair. So if you want to see that, then check out my next video. But yeah, this is the finished look, and I need to hurry up because I need to take my dog out and then head to the doctor, and I still don't have pants on. So there's that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, oh my gosh, my glasses are dirty. Anyways, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch another video. I will talk to you guys soon.